Hi friends! The activity that we're going to do today is make letters out of Play-Doh. What you'll need is Play-Doh, a flat surface. Right now I'm going to use my kitchen table, and your hands. If you don't have Play-Doh, Miss Vicky actually made a video about how to make your own Play-Doh. So go check that out, and then you can come back and watch this video. Are you ready to get started? Let's start off our letters with the letter E. With the letter E, you need one big line and 3 little lines. So let's do our big line first. What we'll do is that we'll roll it out with our fingers like this in order to make a big line. Kind of stretch it out a little bit. That looks good. So we'll put that big line off to the side. Now we need our 3 little lines. Grab the little line. There's one. Put that to the side. There's our second little line. Put that to the side. And then we'll just need our last little line. There you go. So when we're forming the letter E, we want to start out with our big line first. So we're doing our big line down like this. And then we'll do a little line at the top. And do a little line at the top and go across. We'll do a little line in the middle, across. And a little line at the bottom, across. So you start at the top, big line down, start back up at the top, little line across, start at the middle, little line in the middle, and at the bottom, little line across the bottom. The letter E. For our second letter, we'll make the letter S. Normally with our wooden pieces, we usually just have a curve and then a curve. But what we'll do with our Play-Doh this time is that I want you to roll it out into a big, long line. Now, when you're rolling it, you're kind of pushing down a little bit and rolling it back and forth with your fingers. Do you see how I'm doing it? And once you think it's long enough to create it, which I think this is long enough, I want you to place it up and down. Now with the letter S, we want to pull the top and kind of curve it around to the left. You see how that is? And now with the bottom, because you want to curve to the right to make the letter S. There you go. So you have a curve to the left, and then you curve to the right. Your letter S. Let's make the letter M. For M, what we need is we need to have 4 big lines. So by rolling out your dough, you are going to make 4 big lines. It's okay if they're not completely the same. If they're a little thicker or a little thinner, that's okay. So we'll roll out the dough. That looks like a good size. Put that to the side. We'll go into our second line. Do our third line. And then our last line. So let's put them out. So first, we always have a big line down. And then we place our second line at the top and angle down. Then our third line starts from the end of the second line and angles up. And then last one starts at the top and a straight line down. There you go, there's your M. You did a big line down, start back up at the top, angle down, stop, and then angle up, and then straight line down. Your letter M. The last letter we'll make is the letter K. For the letter K, you need one big line and two little lines. So let's make our big line first. So we'll roll it out to make our big line. There you go. And let's put this big line off to the side. And now let's make our first little line. That's good. Put that off to the side. And our last little line. There you go. So you want to start with with your big line first. There you go. One big line down. Now you want to start with a little line at the top and go angle it to the middle. And from the middle, you'll take your second little line and angle it down to the bottom. Down to the bottom, just like that. So you do a big line down, start back up at the top, angle it down to the middle, from the middle, angle down to the bottom, the letter K. Thanks for forming letters with me. Now, what I want you to do is that, could you form your letters of your name? Take the time to do it with your mom or dad or even sister, brother, Muti, mommy, anyone. And you could even start spelling their name if you'd like. I hope to see you soon. Bye.